Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial SM-ESR1300 by 75. So it's electric slip roll, 415 volt, 1300 wide, 75mm diameter rolls. It's basically capacity is 1.6 mil steel over the full length. You can definitely do some shorter, thicker sections, but it's generally a sheet metal fabrication powered roller. It's got the safety cut-off wire all the way around, so if somebody leans up against it, it cuts the machine off. To reactivate the machine, you've got to pull this little safety knob out here. So some of the key features in our Steelmaster Industrial electric slip rolls is basically you've got a swing out top roll, so you can just pull that down there and slide it top roll out so you can do your full cylinders. Put that back in again, pop that back up, so that's nice and easy to use. Around the back here, we've got a easy handle there for sort of pinching your thickness material. So basically wind that up and down there, and that'll actually nip your material. You've got independent adjustable rear pinch rollers too. So as you can see there, just on this calibration, you've got full calibration and adjustment, and left and right hand adjustment to basically bring up your pinch roller itself. So yeah, very well built machine. Got all your safety points on there as well. As I said, swing out top roll, quality build. So we'll just sort of show you how this little machine works. So basically forward reverse in operation. We've just got a little piece of galvanized steel here, so we'll sort of put that in there and show you that roll. So basically put that in there. We've set the rear pinch roll at a particular measurement, and then simply roll that through, and that'll sort of roll that round to whatever cylinder that you want to go to. So you can have the forward reverse on your pedal, so bring that back round again, and as you can see, just very easy to roll your cylinders and all forms of sheet metal circular work that you want to do. So jump onto assetplant.com.au and find our range of metalwork machinery. Thanks, and have a great day.